Imagine a place where every voice of the book industry comes together.
To rethink and design the future of publishing.
This is Readmagine.
It's a place that has so many layers of community and culture to it already. That's a particular alchemy that they seem to be very good at doing here that makes people just come back every year.
Readmagine has the leading thinking in book industry in this moment.
It's highly international. It's just a hotbed of conversation.
A really, really unique opportunity.
Well, there's no other event like Readmagine.
I like the intimacy of it.
It's people who are open-minded and who are interested in how the others are doing things.
It's a very carefully curated program and it's a very carefully curated audience.
Innovative people from around the world, not only for the publishing industry.
Get inspired, come and be open to new contacts.
Any job needs waking up. So every year Readmagine wakes us up.
By reading the situation and imagining alternative futures.